Okay, so these are stretches. You might say, well, I thought a stretch would be a negative. No, it's not. Stretches, the coefficient here has to be between 0 and 1. It can't be 1 and it can't be 0, but it can be any number in between it, and it will stretch it out. Again, applying our knowledge, if we have x, y, typically it's 0, 0, negative 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, but when we apply this to it, if our x stays the same, our y is going to go to 0, so it's going to hold the same vertex still, but as soon as we have a negative 1 here, it's now negative 1 times 1/4, which is negative 0.25. And then a positive 1, it's a, positive 0.25. Because absolute value negative 1, I forgot to do that. And then that's a 0.25 as well. So originally, I'll graph it in blue, we have a 0, 0, 1, 1, and negative 1, 1. Okay, so there's our parent function. But as soon as I apply the multiplying by a factor of 1/4, it's going to stretch out. Because we're here at 0, 0, but then we go to negative 1, but we only go up to 0.25. And we're at positive 1, and again, we only go up to 0.25. So look at how much that stretches it out. The closer the number here is to 0, the more stretch it's going to have. The closer it is to 1, the smaller stretch it's going to have. And here's an example. This is closer to 0 than 1/2. So when I grab 1/2, I'll put these points here. It's still going to be 0, so same vertex, but we're going to have 0.5 and 0.5. So you'll see that that is stretched out more than when the coefficient's 1, but not as stretched out when the coefficient's 1/4.